Welcome to the presentation of my final project for CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. The project is called project.py, but I prefer to call it the convert-intor. This simple program converts user input from micrograms per kilogram per minute into milliliters per minute for a medication called dopamine. Smart pumps can do the same thing as this program but are not always available. This program gives the user another tool to work with. The main function takes the patient's name, weight, and ordered dose of dopamine from the user and passes it to three other functions. If a weight is not entered, a default weight of 150 pounds is used. The name function's simple returns the name the user inputted, or if no name is entered, the program defaults to John Doe. The weight function converts weight in pounds to kilograms. The dose function converts user input to the dose in micrograms per kilogram per minute into milliliters per hour. This is based on a standard concentration of dopamine, which in this case is 400 milligrams in 250 milliliters. Here are two examples. The output is the name of the patient, the weight of the patient, and the dose and concentration used in the conversion. Finally, the rate the pump should be set at is given. These results track well with this chart. Charts like this are also used when smart pumps are not available. This program is for educational and training purposes only, as it has not been tested in clinical situations. Possible improvements include a graphical user interface, ability to select multiple drugs and different concentrations, and a jQuery-like search. Thanks for watching.